Welcome, here's a live demo trade example breaking down my stop loss hunt divergence strategy with a long trade on Ethereum. So I'll go over all the reasoning behind why this trade was entered, why the stop loss is placed where it's placed, and why the take profit target is where it's placed. Before getting into that full breakdown, a quick shout out to my affiliate BingX Exchange. I really like this exchange because they allow trading of crypto, stocks, forex, indices, and commodities all on one platform with good competitive fees. Also no KYC requirement, so anyone in the world can use this exchange. They also offer a bunch of new user sign-up bonuses with deposit bonus and trading volume bonuses. So check these guys out with my link in the description down below if you're interested, and I'd appreciate that. All right, so let's break down this trade setup and why it meets the criteria for my stop loss hunt divergence strategy. First, just going to show you the indicator being used here. It's called the Fu Manchu Cipher B Divergences. It's free on TradingView. So if you just type in Fu Manchu Cipher B plus Divergences by Fu Manchu, really popular indicator. What I've done with it in the settings is just change the style. I got rid of everything except for the plots background for the money flow. Okay, so the strategy works with just money flow, works with just momentum, works with other indicators. We just need something to spot divergence with. So in this example, I'm using the money flow alone to spot the bullish divergence. And this is the stop loss hunt divergence strategy. So the first thing we need to meet the criteria for this strategy is a stop loss hunt. All right. And our stop loss hunt could have been in multiple places, but we only got the proper setup on this final level here. And we could have said, okay, there could be a stop loss hunt at this level, could be a stop loss hunt at this level, but this lowest level here is the last one and the main one that I had in mind as price came down here, because the goal here is to make a higher low compared to over here. And first I want to see this stop loss hunt taking out all the relevant levels before we gravitate towards untouched highs. So logical next highs were over here where I put these green X's. So you can see these two highs are untouched. This move up did not sweep the high over here. So we have these two highs that are untouched, logical highs for price to gravitate towards to sweep stop losses up there. And first, stopping out people on the downside before taking out people at the upside. And what I wanted to see after we swept the logical lows here, let's get rid of everything, is the divergence setup. So a bullish divergence, because I am bullish, I'm expecting prices are going to head to the upside. This is a 30-minute time frame, and we have a very clear bullish divergence as price comes down here. So money flow peaks out right here on this peak, but price continues down from there. So let's pinpoint it. It's right over here. So we have price coming to the downside here, but clearly money flow is really coming to the upside and trending to the upside throughout this portion. And really at this part right here, we have a very clear and strong uptrend on the money flow while the price is still coming down pretty hard. So very clear bullish divergence, which meets the criteria for the stop loss hunt divergence strategy. And this obvious level here being our stop loss hunt level, we have all the criteria met. So you can see my entry right here. And now we can talk about stop loss placement and take profit target. So with this strategy, as I have said, if you haven't seen the other videos, I'm always telling all the viewers that I always want to see a good positive risk to reward ratio of at least 1 to 1.5. Okay. And for this setup, I already know where my profit target, my logical next high is. That's where I want to see price gravitate towards if they're going to get the move that I'm looking for. We want to have at least a 1 to 1.5, and this setup offers a 1 to 2.17 if I'm using this low over here as the stop loss placement. So it meets that criteria, at least a 1 to 1.5, and our stop loss is placed at a logical low where I'm looking for price to make a higher low. So I would be wrong with my analysis if price does reach down to my stop loss level. So this is a logical setup, logical target for price to gravitate towards, logical stop loss, and a logical entry with my idea in mind that this is a stop loss hunt here. The next level price is going to gravitate towards is these untapped highs. Okay, so that's the idea behind this strategy with all criteria being met. And I'll update it as needed. As far as the trade management goes, what I'm going to be doing is getting the stop loss to break even. If we take out this level here, so price goes up, break structure bullishly, and then I see a continuation move from there. So if this comes up, breaks that high, get any pullback, and then another continuation to take out that high, that's where I go stop loss to break even there. Okay, so that's the trade management portion. Other than that, I'll just continue targeting the high after getting a stop loss to break even, and I will update this setup as needed. Here's an update for the Ethereum trade. So just going to be moving the stop loss to break even here because we had a push up in the trade's favor, then a consolidation and a breakout, a nice sized move, and breaking this structure to the upside. So breaking that bearish structure, getting into a bullish structure here. Now I want to see this maintain the bullish structure. So that would mean we have this move up, a higher low, a higher high. So I want to see another higher low. So that means that if this is going to maintain bullish structure, my position will be safe, and my stop loss being at break even would be a good call, because if we break down in structure bearishly, I want to get out of the position. So that's the idea. I'm still going to be targeting these highs and going to see what happens. So I'll update it as needed. All right, so this is the conclusion of this trade. The profit target was hit, tapping these logical highs, and that will wrap this one up. Make sure you guys like the video, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you haven't, and check out my link for BingX Exchange so you can trade a bunch of different markets all in one place. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.